Good day, everyone. I'm doing a video demonstration of how to clear your field values in Google Sheets. A little bit of background, I'm a local videographer, and just recently I decided to do my Google Sheet, my Excel sheets. I exported it to my Google Drive, and the reason I did that so I can change things like when my schedules change. And one of the challenges I was having was the problem with that is whenever I had to like move or change a schedule or delete something, unlike in unlike in Excel, regular Excel, where you can go in here if you need to delete something, you can do this, and you can highlight this, you press delete to get rid of values, and then you go up here and you do no fill, which, it makes the sheet looks like this. However, when I attempted to do this in the Google Sheets, of course, on your Google Drive, I highlight the value right here, and there is no way they don't have a no fill. You can go here. You don't see that here. You got conditional formatting, or it won't do it. You just have to, you highlight it, you go here, and the only thing you do is white to clear it. But however, as you can see, it just, you don't see any of the graph or the cells, as you can mean. So actually, I found a better way, a better solution doing that. So here we go. I'm going to do a test run here. So here's, we're going to do this before. We're going to highlight this part. I need to get rid of the word. So I did this right here. And then I highlight this, trying to get rid of it. But what I discovered is all you have to do is highlight these cells. Like these are the number of cells that I'm going to, use. So I highlight this, do a copy, and then over here highlight this, do a paste, and there you go. Now you're back to your cells. You can now put things in there. I'm not saying it's a perfect solution, but I think it helps, but it don't make it look messy. That's my biggest concern I had. Even though I am not a Excel aficionado, but still I kind of want everything to kind of look better than it was. I don't like using messy stuff right here. So I got to do a paste again, and there it goes. You see it cleared everything out. It makes it look more presentable, like in the future, everything like that. So if somebody comes in, it don't look like you just do like a whiteout. So that's the video I produced for. Hopefully it's able to help people in the future. Thank you.